Hello traders, welcome back. Today we're looking at the DowGold EA, a cloud connected system that trades gold, US 30, and optionally silver. The developer promises explosive growth with relatively controlled drawdowns, adaptive strategies, and well-verified accounts on my FX book, as you can see here, and FX Merge. It sounds interesting on paper, like they always do, especially if you're into gold. But let's break it all down, step by step, no hype, just what you need to know. And before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlesticks patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Now let's dive in. The developer positions DAO Gold as more than your typical static EA. They say it's powered by cloud engine running on multiple servers worldwide. As you can see here, the idea is that the cloud reads live market conditions in real time, selects the right strategies for the current environment, and streams signals directly to your MT5 or MT4 terminal. Your EA just executes them locally on your broker. On gold, which is the main focus, emphasize single order trades only. No grid, no martingale, and every trade gets its own exit. Stop loss is also handled by the cloud. They say gold moves too fast to severely average into losers, so losing trades are simply closed. For US 30, if you decide to use the EA on the US 30, it's trend following with layered entries, but only adding into positions that are already in profit, never adding to rescue a loser. Silver is off by default and uses a more aggressive controlled grade recovery if you turn it on. If you go to the page, you see all this described in more details. They claim the system adapts in trending markets, breakout and momentum strategy leads. In ranging conditions, other approaches take over. There's a news filter that steps aside around high impact events. The whole thing is designed to evolve as they can add or retire strategy from the cloud without you updating the EA file. That sounds interesting. Every trade is supposed to be publicly trackable on my FX book, and it stress it works on prop firm accounts too. So my prop firm traders, it might just be on your part. Nice key features. If I'm going to be fast with this. If they highlight four aggressive modes or four risk modes, flipping for aggressive growth, aggressive balance for steadier, as you can see here, for steadier compounding balanced, and pop firm mode for lower drawdown challenges. You control lot sizing through these modes, and there's drawdown protection you can enable with custom daily and max limit. Now, if you want to test this, they say it works on any account size, including small ones, and on both your MT4 and MT5. The broker choice matters a lot, and they recommend an A-book ECN broker for best results. The license is cloud validated, and you get a member dashboard to monitor performance, swap accounts, and manage up to several slots depending on your tier. No local cracking possible for my hackers, they claim, because the real brains are on their servers. Setup is quick, drop the E on your chart, enter your key, choose your mode, and let it run. They show examples of accounts going fast in good periods. You can see the signal over here, the live signal, with claims like 10 to 30% monthly in balance or much higher in flipping mode. Enough of all these fluffs and all that. Let's see how it runs in the backtest. If we come over here, you can see download free backtest version. That's what I did. Download the zip file. extract the X5 into your MQL5 expert folder. We have a video on that. Let's check our channel. And you pick DowGold, set code USD, choose your dates and run. You also have a file in the folder. So once you download it, you'll see how they advise you to run the backtest. Based on the advice, they say run it on gold. On the H1 time frame, they told me that I should run it from 2024 to current date. I'm running it on 2025 June 1st, 2026 June 1st. They say no forward. Modeling should be based on every tick based on real ticks with a 1:500 leverage or higher. No optimization needed. And let's go to the back test. The equity curve looks strong. As I was running, I was monitoring it, and it was looking nice overall. Very strong, steady upward climb. However, it had some visible drawdowns, but quick recovery as we can see here. It ended up turning that 10k into over 4.3 million. That's a high number. That's net profit. An insane number, to be honest. The total trades around 608, win rate about 86%, and a profit factor of 8.37. Let's look at the drawdown. A maximum equity drawdown sat around 19%. Now, compared to the claim, the backtest lines up with the kind of explosive potential they show on the strongest my FS book account. But here's the thing, this is a heavily optimized historical run on gold during favorable conditions. Live result on my FS book show more variance with some big gain periods but also meaningful drawdowns in the 20 to 30% range on aggressive settings. The inputs that actually matters are your risk levels, which controls your loss scaling, the asset filter so you can focus on gold only, and the drawdown protection settings. Face lot option is there too if you want manual control. Now, honestly, this isn't a set and forget miracle. Broker execution spread and slippage will affect free results compared to the backtest. And the cloud adaptation and news filter are nice, but no system is immune to regime changes or tough ranging periods. The cover elements on other pairs can amplify losses if things go south. Now, in practice, this is best suited for experienced traders who already understand gold's volatility, can stomach drawdowns, and are running it on proper accounts or with proper risk sizing on a portion of their capital. You can start on demo, test different modes yourself, and don't go all in expecting those headline percentage every month. If you are new or very risk averse, or pass on this EA, as it's better to build experience first. What do you think? Have you tested Dow Gold or something similar? Drop your thoughts in the comments and let me know which EA you want reviewed next. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe for more honest reviews, and don't forget to grab that free robot from the description. Thanks for watching. Trade safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video.